How to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily transfer USDT from your Binance to your Bybit. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your Bybit and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, the first thing that you want to do is head over to the Assets tab at the bottom right on the navigation bar. So just tap on Assets, and from here what you're going to do is tap on Deposit. And then from here you're going to tap on Deposit Crypto, and you can just search for USDT right here on the search bar. Or if you don't see it, you can find a alphabetical list of all of these cryptos. So just head over to the U tab from here and then tap on USDT. Now you'll have to choose a chain type to get your wallet address. So just tap on TRC20, and as you can see, for a split second you just saw the QR code and the wallet address, but because of the verifications issues I'm not able to copy my wallet address. But if you are already verified, you can just tap on the wallet address and copy it. Now just head over to Binance and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in on your Binance, the first thing that you want to do is head over to the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. And from here, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the funds, or if you see the spot tab on the home screen, you can just tap on spot. And from here, what you want to do is head over to this. Just tap on buy and sell at the top right corner. And from here, you'll have an option to sell your assets. So if you don't have assets here, it will ask you to buy because you have insufficient assets to sell, but make sure that you have enough. So I'm going to show you on the buy assets because I don't have anything to sell. So from here, what you want to do is tap on buy, and you are just going to select the USDT. And then from here, you will be asked to add the wallet address that you just copied before, and then you just have to verify and continue with the purchase, and your USDT will be transferred to your Bybit. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.